Hello Bravepipers! Today we're going to get into a whole new chanter skill for your practice. It's quite mechanically simple. It's called gracing, but it's also foundational. You use it in every single tune, and oftentimes it gets combined with many other flourishes on the chanter. So it's absolutely important to stop and really practice gracing. Now, on a bagpipe, there is no stop in tone. It's one of the very few instruments that just plays steadily. And so because of that, you can't have any pauses or kind of dramatic beats that you get on a guitar or on a piano or on drums. The bagpipe's steady wind of sound, the steady music, means that you need to find a different way to differentiate between two notes of the same type or a hop between two notes. In essence, what it does is it makes your tune sound prettier. So when we learn our gracing, we need to make sure that we learn to do it accurately and also quickly, because you only want it to be a little pip in the middle of your two notes. So what you're going to need today, your chanter, you're going to need your fingers, make sure they're still attached. Wait a second, there it is. And you also need a scrap of fabric or something to form a base as you play. When you use grace notes, you're going to plug them in between your other notes. So if you can already do the scale, and you can do it without any crossing or transition noises, then you are ready to begin practicing with grace notes. The nice thing is that you can learn this skill very easily and very quickly with just a little bit of diligence. Effectively, what it's going to sound like is this. I'm going to start on a low G and play a G grace note. It's going to involve this finger. I just pipped this one finger up here. So the way that this is going to work is between each lift of my finger up here, my high G finger, I'm going to switch to the next note. So I lift, and I'm on an A right now. I lifted, and as it descends, I lift my B finger. And the idea is that you transition in the exact instant that you lift your other finger. This is the kind of skill that really works with finger walking. Practice finger walking until you can do it with no issue. So I want you to finger walk with me the first G to A grace note. I'm going to play it very slowly, so mimic my movements here. Raise your high G finger, and then as we set it back down, we lift the A. Let's go back to G. Raise the high A finger, trade it with A. One more time, a little faster. Raise the high G, trade it with A. Okay, let's try that with the B note now. We're going to raise the high G finger, and as we set it down, we're going to trade it with B. Go back to A. Raise the high G finger, trade it with B. Okay, the same idea gets us to C. Raise the high G finger, trade it with C. Raise the high G finger, trade it with C. And then the last step is maybe the easiest. Raise the high G finger, trade it with D. Raise the high G finger, trade it with D. I'm going to play it once slowly, starting on low G. When you're ready, you can begin to play that back down. D, C, B, A. You just work down the scale, inserting the G grace note just like you did going up. It's the exact same. And when you're ready and you can do G through D and back again, you're ready to move on to the next video, which is going to be gracing on the upper hand. And it is a little bit different. Thanks for watching. If you like it, leave a comment, or I don't know, give me the little thumbs up thing so that I know that you're getting something out of it. I'm having fun teaching you. See you next time.